This is the block diagram for my circuit which I have used for the communication with the robot. As you can see, the major components of this build are Arduino Uno, motor driver L293N and a Bluetooth module which is HC05. For the communication with the robot, I have used the Bluetooth module, and for giving commands to the robot, I have used an open source mobile application. This is my circuit diagram for the build, which it gives you a basic idea how I have made connections. For the Bluetooth module, I have connected its pin to one VCC, one ground, and the transmission and receiving communication pin to the transmission and receiving communication pins of the Arduino, which are 0 and 1 on the Arduino digital side of the board. The motor driver is connected to a 12-volt battery source and has 4 digital pins, which are IN1, IN2, IN3 and IN4, which are connected on the digital side of the Arduino board. This circuit is fairly simple and anyone with the knowledge about Arduino could understand it. This is the interface for the Bluetooth application which I have used for the communication with my robot. As I have used an open source Bluetooth application for this build, the app has more features than required, but the basic principle of this app is that each movement is associated with a particular ASCII value. Like when I press the forward button, it converts the input to F and then converts it into its ASCII value and then transmits over it Bluetooth. Similarly, for moving back it is B, and for moving left it is L, and for moving right it is R, and for stopping it is S. Now I will show you my code for this build. So this is my code for this build. I have initialized 4 digital pins for the motor driver in the which are IN1, IN2, IN3 and IN4. And then I have created a character variable which would store the character when I press any button on the Bluetooth application. So in this void setup, I have set up these pins as output pins for the motor driver, and then I have used serial.begin for the starting the serial communication. In the void loop, I have put a simple while loop which reads the value from the Bluetooth application. When the value is F, the motor moves forwards. When the value is B, the car moves backward. When the value is S, it stops, and when the value is L, it moves left, and when the value is right, it moves right. For moving forward, I have used the simple logic like putting two IN1 and IN3 pin at high and IN2 and IN4 at low. And for moving backward, I have just reversed the logic, putting IN1 and IN3 in low and IN2 and IN4 in high. For stopping, I have put all the pins in low condition. And for turning left, what I have done is like stopping the left motor and let the right motor move so that it moves in the left direction. And for moving in right, I have just stop the right motor and run the left motors. So in this way, my code and the Bluetooth application works in sync with